like may ugma na nang may. Pwede?
And by the way, he was a responsible bird and loves to see his environment clean. So we have separate trash right
Oy,
here.
usara man ta.
What we go do? Okay, you already put it in the trash bin. Okay, good job. You pick up a Coca-Cola can. No, you didn't drop it inside.
110.
Good job.
No?
Next one, you pick up a crackled paper. Open the lid.
Ganahan mo ka naibog mo.
Now see, if birds can do, it can be right. So always put your trashes into the trash bin because as we all know that cleanliness is next to godliness. That's right. And the
Goodness.
Hi, friends. It's something to tell us. Welcome to Cebu Safari Excursion. Now, everyone from the jungle of South America, here comes our 5 macaws. So here are our 2 blue and gold macaws named Cat and Mark.
Ipakaon ka man ang isa igbaw.
There's more. So we have a total of 6 blue and gold macaws named Harry, Harley, Turtle, and Carl, and 1 great winged named Ringo. So macaws are very adaptive birds, and whatever environment they're in, it becomes quite normal to them. So if they're surrounded with many people, they will upset many people. And macaws loves to eat variety of seeds, fruits, and vegetables. They also have a powerful beak that can crack hard shell nuts. And we have a total of 370 species of parrots around the world, and macaws are the largest. And I think they're going back home already, so a round of applause to our macaws. Okay, so for our next bird, it is a very special, intelligent, and handsome bird, but I need your help to call him. Can you say Jumbo?
Jumbo.
I can hear you. Make it louder. Say Jumbo. Okay. Ready? Guesses for today. Can you wave at them? Good job. Someone wave back. Wave back once again. Okay, great. So, macaws have a very long tail and feathers. It can grow up to 2 feet, and a tail that roughly extends up to 3 feet. So now, Jumbo is going to show you his beautiful tail. Can you turn around? Okay. So, as what you can see, most of their colors outside their bodies, and they have less colors under their wings. So now, I'm going to show you his wings. Can you see wings?
Wings.
Okay, let's do it one more time. Say wings.
Wings.
Okay, great. And macaws have a zygidactylous feet, which means they have 2 toes that points forward and 2 toes that points backward. And they also have a powerful beak that can hold on things and climb. So we have Mr. Ryan right here. He has a ground nut. He will place it on a plastic basket, and let's see how Jumbo will get his reward. Okay, he carefully lifts up the basket and get his reward. So we are using the reward system to recompense the intelligence and efforts of our bird. And as what I have mentioned earlier, that Jumbo is a very special and intelligent bird. Do you want to know why?
Why?
Because Jumbo loves to go to school, to the bird school. So we prepared 2 tests for Jumbo. So first one would be the spelling test. So we have 5 animal pictures right here, and I want you to choose 1 animal picture. So we have tiger, camel, horse, snake, and zebra. Can you choose 1 and then make it louder? What do you want?
Zebra.
I can hear you one more time. What do you want?
Zebra.
Okay, I'm hearing zebra with Mr. Wow, Mr. First preparing the Jumbo letters. Let's have a short interview with Mr. Ian. Mr. Ian, how are you doing today? Okay, that's good to hear. And can I ask you what's Jumbo's favorite food? Variety of seeds, fruits, and vegetables. And I think they're already.
Pastel na niya.
So, take a look at the picture there, everybody. So how does zebra spell? Okay, we already picked up the letter Z. Good job. Next one. We picked up the letter E. Great. Next one, Vinny. Okay, we picked up the letter B. Okay. Next one. We picked up the letter R. still thinking about it. Just making sure. Okay, you think of the letter A. So zebra spelled Z-E-B-R-A. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay, and it seems easy for Jumbo. So let's make it more difficult. So after this spelling test, we're gonna move on into the mathematical test in addition form. So I need you to give me two numbers between 1 to 10. Just hand gestures on this side. What number do you want? Just use hand gestures. Okay, we have 5. Okay, on this side.
4.
What do you want?
4.
Let's start. 3.
Ay, 3. Kauwi. Ano yung tubig? Ilang may lagi sa pool?
So, Mr. Princess
Ay, pila to, be?
110. Mr. Ian, can you
Mura
ask
to.
if where did Jumbo go to school?
Muling lami kayo.
University of Cebu Safari. And can I ask if where did Jumbo originally came from? He loves to stay here in the Philippines, right?
Ano lagi sa mga ano man sa
Okay, that's good to hear. So,
Asa?
if you're all set and ready. Okay, 5 plus 8 is equals to?
5 plus 8.
What would be the answer, buddy? Okay, just make sure.
Oh!
Be the answer. Just still thinking about it. Okay, 5 plus 3 is equals to 8. Is it correct? Okay, so round of applause to our great big Bakane, Jumbo. So on this juncture, I need 2 volunteers, a kid and a adult volunteer.
Ato, ate, be.
Can I have a volunteer staff?
Ate, be. Sa unik. Sa unik.
Okay, so we already have a kid, volunteer, and a adult. So please follow the instructions of our staffs carefully and please don't do any extra movements and don't touch our birds. Okay. I think we're all good and ready. Are you ready? Okay, I think she's ready. Okay. So now everyone, I want you to meet our cute and colorful Sinkineer name, Bunny. So Bunny is a very good bird and made a lot of friends way back at home. So after he finishes his school, he will go back home to all his friends. And Sinkineers loves to eat variety of seeds, fruits, and vegetables. Thank you so much, Pretty. Thank you, Langga. You can now take your seat. Ready, sir? Okay. So now everyone, I want you to also meet our group of Sinkineers, Bunny's friends. Okay, so as what you can see, our birds are free to fly. So we do not clip their wings. In that way, they can exercise their natural behavior in their natural habitat. Okay, thank you so much, sir. You cannot take your seat. And for our next volunteer, I need a adult one. Adult volunteer who will stand up here at our bridge. Adult volunteer. Okay, adult volunteer. Okay, I think we already have one.
Sirada na po doon.
Face the crowd and follow Mr. Rico's instructions carefully. Face the crowd. Please don't do any extra movements and don't touch our hands. I think we're all good and ready to know, everyone. I want you to meet our couple of Sinkineers named Nick and Dog. So Sinkineers are monogamous type of birds, which means they will only have one partner at a lifetime. And if their partner dies, that will be the only time that they will find another mating partner. Okay, thank you so much, ma'am. Okay, so for our last volunteer, I need a volunteer with a pretzel bill. Okay, I think we already have one. Come here on stage, please. Careful.
Isod na sa kanang
This
kuwan.
way. Okay. Can I ask for your name? Okay, so hello guys. So here are our black-cap larks and rainbow larks. So larks are highly active birds and kind of a bit moist, and they love to eat a variety of seeds, fruits, pollens, and nectars, and as well as honey. Okay, I think they're enjoying. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you, ma'am.
Bago tapos nagsuod ba, no? Ka-cute pa. Namakas lagi tawag ba? Kibos, lagi tawag ba? Bye, kita na bye. Kita na bye. Bibaan pa sila, bye, kita na bye.
And you fold
Andam ba?
3 times on the same way. 1, 2, and 3. Okay. So I need you to hold your money like this. Stretch your arms out. Okay. Just please don't do any extra movements and don't touch our birds.
Awa po siya, kay Banay lagi.
Okay.
Bye, mana ba?
Are we good? Ready? So now everyone, I want you to also meet our another kid sitting here named Sai. Look at Sister Aiken. Look, stay there. You don't want to go home? Go ahead. Okay. Okay, good job. Okay. Thank you so much, Mr. Aiken, and a round of applause to Mr. Howard. Thank you for staying there. Okay. So now everyone, since we're already here in Brazil, let's meet Mr. Warren's good friends because we have here our yellow-crowned Amazon parrots named Lani and Rudy together with their mentors, Miss Rachel and Miss Jahan.
Thank you, Miss Mia. Hi, everyone. Good afternoon. This is a yellow-crowned Amazon parrot named Lani and Rudy. Yellow-crowned Amazon parrot is the most sensitive Amazon dog with talking ability and playfulness.
That's right, and my name is Togapi-san, the what they heard every day.
Okay, say hi.
Say hi.
Si tita mo, ay. No, nakatawa na nun siya ta. Katawa
We
na
can
nun.
mimic the different sounds of animals just like a rooster, a cat, and a dog, and also mimic the telephone ringing.
Okay, start. Let's start first. Cutthroat. Caramel cat. Rudy, can you bark? Telephone. Telephone. Telephone.
Basta na kung nikuranan din.
Okay, Rudy, what will you do when you see a pretty girl?
Okay, what will you do? See what?
Review ha, oy.
Okay, Rudy and Lani, they love to sing. But before they sing, they need to have a warm-up first. Okay, let's do the warm-up. La 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 la. La 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 la.
Papampali ko ito.
Now for the first song. Whoa, whoa. I love you more than I. Whoa, whoa. I love you more than I. Now, before the second song, let me ask first. Who's celebrating the birthday today? Or this month? Okay, happy birthday, baby boy. Okay, listen carefully because Lani and Rudy will sing a happy birthday song. Okay, so happy birthday. Continue. Okay, a running bells of yellow can and Amazon parrot in Lani and Rudy.
And now we have heard Mr. Kami to continue the second part of the show.
Musikan po ito ko mga part.
Jahan Administration. So hello everyone. I guess you already witnessed the extraordinary skills of our cute and fluffy birds. Now it's time to meet some raptors. So we have here the birds of prey. So birds of prey, they are birds which choose or pursue smaller birds or smaller mammals as their food. So examples of our birds of prey are the eagles, the hawks, the vultures, and the owls. So they are defined as the birds of
Hello.
prey. And right now we have here Mr. Romero.
Together, Marina. Okay, so Marina, everyone, it is a white-billed eagle from Australia. So it has a white plumage from its head down to its underpart, and their back and wings are dark green color. So this type of bird love to eat small mammals, reptiles, and birds, especially aquatic animals like sea snakes and small fishes. So you better watch out with Marina because at the end of the show, Marina will fly closer to you. So for now, Marina will go back inside to prepare her flight.
Gunitag siya.
So bye for now, Marina.
God, Marina.
Okay, now everyone, I want you to all please sit down before we start, as our next set of birds are going to showcase their extraordinary hunting skills and flight style. So for our first bird of prey, are you excited?
Yes!
Okay, so everyone, I want you to all meet our brownie guy named Glider. Come here.
Hello!
So Tagalog in Bisaya, and Lawin in Tagalog. So same with Marina, they love to eat small mammals, reptiles,
Sa di ay, mabito na. Mabito na kabantay
Okay,
ka
now
sa
round of applause to our Pamanikay lighter. So for the second bird of prey, we have here the ordinal bird of prey. So the ordinal meaning these type of birds are more active on daytime and they do their hunting during daytime. So for that bird, we will need a lure, and the lure will be handled by Mr. James. Okay, so everyone, the lure will serve as the food or the prey because our next bird is going to showcase how good he is at catching his food. Now, ladies and gentlemen, keep your eyes alert to our Philippine eagle named Hunter. Okay, so nice one, buddy. Now we have here Mr. Ayan. He has the real food or the real prey because Hunter will not let go of the lure without an exchange. And as what you observe, Mr. Ayan is wearing a thick glove for the protection of the large and sharp talons of our birds. Okay, now Philippine hawk eagle is under the red list of ISDN as endangered species threatened by habitat loss. Also, this type of bird has a wingspan of 105 to 125 centimeters. Now, a round of applause to our Philippine hawk eagle. Okay, so let's proceed to our next people nighttime, and they do their hunting during nighttime. So again, I want you to all please relax and be silent because we have here the night creature of the Philippines, our Philippine eagle owl named Tatsu. Come here. Okay. Okay, now let's talk about owls. So we have here the Philippine eagle owl. This is the largest owl in the Philippines. As what you can see, they have a large head and a bulging eyes. While their eyes are very good in total darkness, that means that they can see 10 times better than the human's eye. And also when they fly, they almost fly silently due to their special feather structure that reduces turbulence. So here in the Philippines, they are commonly known as pukao or puwag. Okay, ready to go home now, buddy? Okay, now a round of applause to our Philippine eagle owl. Tatsu. So from the medium-sized bird of prey, let's move into one of the largest bird of prey. So at this time, I need the cooperation of everyone to please, again, sit down. No one will stand up. Don't try to reach out to our bird. It's for our own safety because our bird will fly closer to you. Again, remain seated. No one will stand up and don't try to reach out to our bird. And we have there our bird trainer, Mr. Chris. You ready, sir? Alright, now ladies and gentlemen, for the grand finale, keep your heads up high to our white bellied sea eagle named Marina. Okay, so white bellied sea eagles are also known as the king of the sea. So it's a monogamous type of bird, meaning it will only have one partner for a lifetime. So these type of birds are mostly found in Southeast Asia, Tasmania, and Australia. And just like any other birds of prey, the female is slightly larger than the male. Okay, so a round of applause to our white-billed eagle, Marina. And to seal this moment, we have here our flying lorries, all the way from Australia. Okay, so we have here the three types of lorries, the dusky lorries, the chattering lorries, and the red-blue lorries. And to make this more memorable, we have here the symbol of love, peace, prosperity, and harmony, our group of eagles. And not just that, we have here our skylanders all the way. Come here. Okay, so before we do the end of our show, let me introduce you to the Philippine
Birthday, pagpabot.
my partner on stage, Mr. Ryan, together
Oo, kita ko na upat.
our other birds trainer, Mr. David, Mr. Rachel, Mr. Shayna, Mr. Roman, Mr. Erwin, Mr. Chris, Mr. James, our soundman actor, Mr. Ricky, our volunteer staff, Mr. Richie, Mr. Regan, and last but not the least, our professional bird trainer, Mr. Aidan, all the way from Singapore, together with our Holopan director named Vlad. And yours truly, my name is Tommy, with my co-host here on stage, Miss Via.
Wala na katultula sa
So
siya.
we hope you enjoyed the show. Thank you so much and enjoy the rest of
Mga ano ka na?
Thank you.
Ano sige, mga ano to, Pi? Uy, sit down naman. Remain seated. Sa kaupo. Sit down.